Good morning, students. I hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. And after a long time, we are again doing class, IT class, computer class. And I hope all of you have given your exam very well, half yearly exam, right? Okay, so today we will do a new chapter, that is charts in MS Excel, right? So let's start the new chapter where we will see what is chart, what are the components of a chart, then what are the types of chart, all these things we will see over here. So let's start the new chapter. So in this chapter, charts in Excel, we will see the meaning and components of a chart, that is what is a chart, what is the definition of chart, and there are different components of a chart that we will discuss over this chapter over here. So how to create a column chart, then how to create a bar chart, line chart, pie chart. There are different types of chart that these chart according to your requirement, how will you create that, okay, that we will see over here. Okay, so these are the part of this chapter. Okay, and this different components of a chart, that too we will see component of a chart. But what is cell, then what are the components of Excel sheet, worksheet, workbook. So all these things we have discussed in earlier this previous class. By the way, when we will do the practical, then once again I will tell you about all these things. Okay, so next we will see chart. Chart means what? Charts, here you can see the different types of chart. So chart means that is the representation, or you can say the presentation of numerical data in the pictorial or graphical form. It explains, chart explains the relationship between different elements of data. A chart shows the temperatures of cities in a country, where temperature is one element and cities is another element of the data. Now here you have seen that there are different types of charts. So here you can see the different types of charts, like column chart or bar chart, then pie chart. So these things you can see over here. So it allows, Microsoft Excel allows you to create different types of charts. Next, you can select a chart based on your data, means according to your requirement, according to your data needs. Okay, so on that requirement you can create a different types of chart. Now components. What are the components of a chart? First thing, here you can see the table where this comparison of marks in 2016 and 17 are done here. So here you can see this one is called y-axis and this one is x-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, and this marks, that is called axis title. So because this one is in y-axis, so it is y-axis title. And here you can see the subject, that is also axis title, x-axis title. This one is y-axis title, marks, and subject is a x-axis title. So these are the components. Okay, then you can see here 2016 and 2017, these are legends. I think you can see here. So these are called legend. Okay, and this English, maths, science, this all these are datas are given here, na? So that is called data table. This is called grid lines. This one you can see, this lines, these lines are called horizontal lines, these are called grid lines. And this 70, 90, 95, 85, these are the data heading, or you can say data label. Okay, and comparison of marks scored, this one is written, that is called chart title. So you can change also, you can change the chart title, or you can just write the chart title. So these are the different components of chart. So first one is chart title. Chart title means this is the title, or you can say the name of the chart, which indicates about the chart. Okay, means which type of which chart you have created here. That it will, like here is given comparison of marks scored in 2016 and 17. That means here the chart is about the marks scored in 2016 and 2017, right? Next, data label. Data label, this 85, 80, 70, 90, these are the data labels. Okay, that data label means data value, which are the plotted on the chart, top of the chart, that are data label. And these lines are called grid lines. Okay, from x-axis to the y-axis. So that is, these are called grid lines. Next one is data table. This one is called data table. Just now I have told you. So it presents data plotted on the chart. So you can see here 85, that is marked here, 85 English. Then 95, here is 95, then 90 and 70, then 95 and 75. So these are called data values. Axis title, marks and subject, these are the axis title. So the name of the elements along the x-axis and y-axis, these are called axis title. X-axis, this one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. X-axis, that is a horizontal line. Okay, this horizontal line is called x-axis, which displays the name of the categories of data here. Okay, so that's why this x-axis is also called as category axis. This x-axis is called as category axis, whereas y-axis, that is the question. From here the question comes ki x-axis is what is the another name of x-axis. Okay, so x-axis, that is the horizontal line which displays the name of the categories. That's why it is also known as category axis. Similarly, this one is the y-axis is the vertical line which displays the name of values of data. Here you can see the values 0, 10, 20. So these are the values. That's why this axis is called as value axis. Okay, so this one is category axis, value axis, where you can see the category, name of the subjects, English, maths, science. So these are the category axis and these are the value axis. And finally this is called legend, that is the name of the series, data series. Okay, I think all of you got it. So these are the different components of a chart. All of you see this? Okay, so this is about the components of a chart. Now next one is column chart. What is column chart? How will you create a column chart? Different types of chart are there. So these things we will see on the next day. That's all for today. Thank you.